This virus is also devastating our economy, and today it reached the state budget. Ohio Governor Mike DeWine announced $775 million in cuts. $300 million of that comes from Ohio schools. Another $210 million will be slashed from Medicaid. 5 on your side investigator Joe Paganak is digging into the numbers to tell us what it means for you.
Well, Rob, it has been a difficult day for local school districts who are dealing with even more uncertainty as they hope to reopen in the fall. Northeast Ohio school district leaders are hoping the federal government will come forward to help them avoid dramatic staffing and programming cuts.
Decisions like this are certainly very difficult and unpleasant.
Governor DeWine with the sobering announcement, $775 million in budget cuts for the remainder of fiscal year 2020 to offset COVID-19 losses in state revenue. $300 million taken from Ohio schools, $210 million taken from Medicaid, $110 million from higher education, and $155 million from other agencies. The governor refusing to tap into $2.7 billion in Ohio rainy day funds to avoid the massive reductions.
Simply stated, we are going to need that money, that rainy day fund.
For us, we estimate it could be between $16 and $17 million.
Cleveland Schools CEO Eric Gordon says the district is now working on major budget adjustments in response to the state cuts, but says without additional federal coronavirus funding aid, all districts here in Northeast Ohio and across the country will face major reductions in staffing and programs.
There is a tsunami coming behind this earthquake, and it's our budgets. And the only institution in our country that can fix that is Congress.
Well, I would advise the governor to look outside, and if he looked outside, he would see that it's pouring.
But with uncertainty surrounding additional federal aid in the coming weeks, Policy Matters Ohio believes Governor DeWine should have used some of the rainy day funds now to avoid cuts in education and health care during the middle of a pandemic.
No, we use it now to avoid these kind of cuts, and then we come up with a plan to raise the revenue that we need.
And these state budget cuts are effective immediately. Governor DeWine says his director of budget and office management will release more details on the $775 million in cuts sometime tomorrow, further outlining the impact on Ohio education and health care statewide. I'm 5 on your side investigator Joe Paganakis.